Hello, my name is Jake Simonton, and I'm in my third year of teaching, my second year at Grand Junction Central High School, teaching moderate needs special education, and I am going to be narrating my presentation on social and emotional learning in public education, or SEL. And as you can see in my second slide here, I have colored in the 4 domains or pies, which include physical needs, intellectual needs, emotional needs, and social needs, all of which must be taught in a balanced fashion in order to successfully support and teach the entire child through their PK through 12th grade public education journey. In the first 160 years of public education, the focus was on the 3 R's: reading, writing, and arithmetic. This served its purpose, but was purely focusing on the intellectual needs of students. In the last 35 to 40 years, we have seen physical needs implemented in education due to health ailments such as childhood obesity, prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer that have led to initiatives such as taking away sugary beverages and snacks from vending machines on school grounds, serving healthier lunches, but in the classroom actually having required physical education until secondary school, and then having a required minimum credit of physical education, as well as a health and wellness class that teaches all students how to be lifelong movers and also teach them the knowledge to be able to have a healthy, well-rounded diet. Now we need to also start teaching and hitting on social and emotional needs. This is the direction that I believe we need to take education in order to teach the entire child and have success in the 21st century. In the coming 4 weeks, I will present and define my social emotional learning initiative and explain why this movement is critical to ensuring the success of our students and their individual educational success.